the protectors, and Bernales Princess Aliyah Meet.
Sa sibuyat, sa langit mong buka, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang.
May napaka-Diyos, sinikasan, makatao at Jesus name, overtakes to our dear parents, teachers, and distinguished guests, it's a great day today at Grace Strides Christian School. On behalf of my fellow Grace Striders, I warmly welcome you all to our second Moving Up and Recognition Day. Today is a very special day as we celebrate our hard work, growth, and support and love of our parents, teachers, and friends. We have learned so much, not just in our lessons, but also in kindness, patience, and faith. As Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So sit back and relax and let us all enjoy this moment together. Thank you and again welcome to our second Moving Up and Recognition Day of Grace Strides Christian School. My fellow Grace Striders, araw natin to! Hello po. Thank you po. Mami and Daddy, napag-alaga ko po sa pagkain po. I love you. Hello.
We are dreamers, they make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are dreamers, we make it happen. Cause we can see it. It's too long. Oh yeah. It's too Guess we believe it. Look who we are dreamers, we make it happen.
Contiliano Jonas Raven. Madrid Rodel Dos. Jonas Raven. Enthusiastic Learner Award, Kinder Leader Award, Sunshine Award, Computer Master Award, Outstanding Swimmer Award, Achiever Award, and Amazing Great Strider.